Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial about TikTok Shop affiliate and how to set it up for commissions. So you need at least a TikTok Shop. So you're going to fulfill the requirements, which is going to be having at least 1,000 follower on TikTok. And after that, you're going basically here to head over your phone or your desktop. Doesn't matter a lot. And depending on the region and the country that you're going to be in, it is going to be obliged for you to be on the selected areas. So you're going to have your account set up. After you have got your TikTok shop, it is going to be crucial to visit or type in on Google TikTok shop affiliate, and then we're going to have your platform in here. Now, what are we going to do is to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to see the steps. So, for the sellers and for the creators, for example, if you are going to be a seller, log into TikTok Shop Seller Center and then go to affiliate. Click on Get Started in the left hand menu. And third step, set up collaborations to reach more customers. For creators, it is going to be getting the permission to sell products from the owners. And the second step is going to add your contact information for the seller to see your contact information. The third step is going to be having or adding the product to your showcase and then get samples and sell the product. Now, if you're going to join, click on Get Started. So you're going to click on Get Started. For example, I'm going to be a seller or a creator. So I'm going to be a creator for the most of part. Click on Get Started, and then you're going to see the streamer desktop. So it is going to show you here the permissions. I do not have the permission. You need to have TikTok Shop permission to access control to desktop. So basically, I do not have a TikTok shop because I didn't fulfill the parameters or the requirement. It is okay, but here, this is the correct step that you're going to find. If you're going to be on your phone and you have a TikTok shop, you are going to find it on the profile page or tab from the TikTok app, and then you're going to set up everything from the TikTok shop. So it is going to be very simple and easy. For the commissions, you're going to have the commission and the percentage is going to be divided from TikTok shops, and you're going to get paid with the withdrawal options that you have. So as you can see here from the benefits that you're going to get in here for a TikTok shop, easily find products to sell, recommend products in videos and lives, get paid commissions on your sales. So whenever you are going to here sell a product, you're going to get a permission. Do not worry, everything is digitalized. You're going to get your commission whenever you're going to sell it, with even without having to know that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.